Hello and welcome to another episode of latest update. The topic of discussion is swallowtail butterflies at risk. Swallowtail butterflies in Assam's Bodoland territorial region are facing significant threats due to the overexploitation of their host plants, particularly those valued for medicinal properties. A recent study highlights that 25 species of these plants are being excessively harvested, jeopardizing the butterfly's survival in this crucial habitat, often referred to as the citrus belt of the world. The research underscores the urgent need for habitat protection and sustainable practices to mitigate these threats and preserve the biodiversity of swallowtail butterflies in Assam. Key findings from the study include the Bodoland region is home to diverse butterfly species that rely on specific plants from families such as Rutaceae, citrus, Aristolochiaceae, Lauraceae, and Magnoliaceae for their larval development. The study revealed that swallowtail butterflies depend on 52 varieties of 17 citrus species, which are now largely found in home gardens rather than wild settings due to habitat loss. Besides plant overexploitation, other threats include illegal cattle farming, agricultural expansion, tea cultivation near habitats, illegal lodging, and pesticide use. These activities have collectively led to a decline in butterfly populations and their essential host plants. Butterflies serve as important indicators of environmental health. Their decline reflects broader ecological issues within their habitats. The study emphasizes the need for conservation efforts focused on protecting these butterflies and their host plants to ensure their long-term survival. Now it's time for the practice question. What is the primary threat to swallowtail butterflies in Assam's Bodoland territorial region? Climate change, overexploitation of host plants, urbanization, natural predators. Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.